everybody. Boy, it feels good. Feels good. But I know I had to be here for my channel to guide us and navigate us. And smooth seas never made good sailors. But let's not forget why they call me the General. The General always comes back and is the General because he always wins every fight and deals with the bullshit that comes his way. So let's talk about trading Bitmex and a couple tips and patterns that I've recognized that I wanted to share that I've seen. Let's talk about the most important one first, which is what's happening right now. This mask is different. I like this mask more, but it's tighter. All right. So we're just taking steps down. Every time there's the step and it comes back, we're entering at the top. So right here, boom, shorted at 65.17, 65.19. Boom, we hit another one, right? So now we're gonna enter a short. We're in the 64, like 50, 64.30s. Boom, I'm gonna put it in 64.26. Really, we're already in. There's really not much more we can, unless I want to extend the leverage. Might as well. We're using post only, folks. Post only. And we're gonna set a stop on this, so check this out. So we're gonna click the post only. And let's go ahead and put 64. 28. Let's let that sit. Our target is 6,100, 6,200. We'll shave some profits at 6,200. Leave some. I believe we're probably going to dance at the 5,800 between these two notches. And then down we go, baby. More below than we've been for quite some time. All of you people that are all new that came in this year, end of last year, it's going to be the lowest Bitcoin price you've ever seen. And if you position yourself correctly, if you follow the trend is your friend until the end. And this trend is going down, baby. We just busted through this line. People thought that this 6,700, and we might retrace back, but it doesn't look like it. We had a big come up with no retracement. So now we have to drop with no retracement. That's my thought. Now, if you feel like you missed out, the trend is still your friend. Look, it's going down even more, right? It'll probably bounce off this line here, watch. So it's gonna bounce here real soon, and it'll come back up. We'll see if it happens while we're recording this video. Oh, yes. If you don't know, we use the hike and a sheet candles and yada, yada, yada. So we're having the drop steps, so right? So boom, so we're shorting again, and we're gonna let that go into the next drop. And then we'll do it again. We'll do it one more time, probably at 60, 6,300. Because it's going. The Chinese have come back. That's what I should have drawn right here. This green candle, it's done, but that's all right. Technically, the 8,400 showed up on CoinMarketCap, so sometimes premonitions can come in. Let's just say I haven't mastered my sensitive powers, okay? All right, now I want to show you guys another pattern that happened yesterday. Boom, there it is. And this has happened twice in a week. All right, here we go. This Head and Shoulders right here. Now, most people think in a typical Head and Shoulders, you would normally think that it just bursts down right here. So you have your Head and Shoulders, and then it goes up and it fakes everyone out, and then it dumps. And this is the second time it's happened in 2 weeks. So I believe it was 2 days ago. I think it was 2 days ago, but it's in here somewhere. Let's look. What was the price here? 69.40. Shorting March yesterday, 11.46. I think, was that it? Yeah. So this time, so we were shorting right in here, and then boom, this same pattern. So remember this pattern. Remember this Head and Shoulders with the fake leg or fake arm. It's flicking everyone off. You see the Head and Shoulders, and it's flicking you off. It's flicking off and gutting all the standard people on TA on YouTube. It's liquidating everyone first and then dumping, baby. So those are just two patterns. And there's more too. There's more patterns, but the important ones are these steps. Look at these steps. Boom, boom, boom. If anything, it's going down even harder. There's even more panic because the resistance is getting, the support's getting weaker and weaker. So I am short. I'm shorting the farm. Short your mom. Short your dog. That's what I'm doing. Actually, don't do it. How about that? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. No one's ever allowed to listen to me again. I suggest all of you, now more than ever, if you want to have a piece of history, help yourself to the CryptoFace mug. It's in the description. You can change the colors. I actually don't make 1 penny off this. Not 1 penny. Look at that, baby. Look, we're breaking 64. Shit. I should have just... Look, we can't even bounce back. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna lower this. I'm gonna lower it because I know it's gonna go even lower. I don't want to miss on this trade. So let's adjust this. Boom. See all that liquidation? Boom. That liquidation's hard. It's about to drop. Okay. So I'm gonna sneak this in. Shit. Look, it's just going down. Let's see if it bounces up from here. It's not. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get it in right here. I'm gonna do 20,000. Welcome to the big leagues. This is not for the faint of heart. It's not for the people. Bitmex, if you're struggling on rent, or if your money's tight, if you can't afford this money, go to the casino, then this isn't for you. Watch, it'll bounce up now before it goes down again, but that's all good. Oh yes, I remember what I also wanted to show. Let's talk about stop losses or stop profit, so to speak, right? So let's say I want to go to bed. I'm in the money. I want to go to bed because I want to see this keep going down, but what happens? I don't want to wake up with a pump. So what we're going to do is set a buy stop to make sure that we collect profit if it goes up to a certain point. I'm probably going to put this point. Let's do 80 grand. We'll go with 64.92. Wait a sec. Let me test this first, just in case it doesn't instantly screw me. So we're gonna set a stop buy for 5,000. Trigger mark pack 64.92. Boom. Okay. Perfect. So now, if it goes back and it hits 64.92, it's gonna buy. And so it'll exit the short, and then happy days. Look. See, we should have kept our first trade. Oh, look at this shit. It's pumping up right now. Pumping up to 65. It's pumping up. We might want to take some profits. Meow. Boom. See, okay, now it went back down. This is exciting right now. I should be streaming this. I'll turn the stream on for now so these guys can not miss out on the action. So if you missed out on your ability to short, now might be the time. Now might be the time. Now might be the time. We're gonna set our stops. Actually, we're gonna leave it. I'm not gonna enter any more in this trade. I already have enough in this trade. I'm gonna leave it. In fact, we're gonna collect some profits. That's what we're gonna do. At okay, the stop is done. If it goes to 65.09, who it is? Yikes. Oh, I couldn't get it in. Shit. Damn, this shit is pumping. It is a pumping. There we go. Now go back down. Go back down. Yikes. That's not what we want. See how hard it is sometimes to get this shit in. It goes quick, guys. Okay, 65.15. I'm gonna change it with the market. I'm gonna try to squeak it in to okay, 10. Boom. So I'm trying to follow the market and change the price to like get the best price here. Boom. Alright, so it ate it. We got a good price. Oh shit! Whoops, I totally put that on the wrong side. So let's go ahead and we're gonna buy. We need to buy ourselves out of that. See what happens when you don't pay attention, kids. Get ourselves on the trigger for the active stops. Boom, it took it. Good. Very good. Look at that. We have a nice, healthy profit. Nice, healthy profit. Now we can cool a little bit if it goes back up. And guess what? If it does chill back up to 6,500, it's all good, guys. It's all good. Now let's look at our chart here. Now, if I always said, if there's anything you take away from this channel, it's the lines. It's my lines. So it is possible that we maybe try to fight back and hang around up here, but not plausible. I don't think it's very likely. I would say it's much more likely if we're gonna chill somewhere for a second. It's gonna be about 6 grand to 5,800. Let's shave off a little more profit, because I'm gonna be standing by. And if I see it shorten again, ooh, see, it's gonna go all the way down here. See how it's all empty here? Bop. See, it's gonna get bop. It's gonna get back down to 65.03. Boom. So let's put in for 65.03. See if it scoops it. Post only. So we're collecting. We're market makers. Okay, makers and tea. Makers and tea. Just like we like our drinks, we like our trades. I might actually cancel this. I'm gonna cancel this. Actually, I'm just gonna lessen it. Yo! Couldn't get it done. See? Now I'm telling you, now's the time to short. Now's the time to short. Now's the time to short. Let's give it a little more time. If this fails, if it goes down to 64.74, at 64.74, I'm shorting again. Let me put that. How much we have here? 50 grand. Bing, bada, boom. Let's go back down the margin here. What do we have? All right, we're doing good. So we're making, we're doing good here. Now here's the thing. Here's what I don't want. I don't want this to motivate everyone to ask me to try to flip 1 Bitcoin into 20. The truth is when I did do that 13x, and if you were around my channel, you knew I felt more strong about this time coming into the 100-day moving average than I ever felt before. And that's when I hit the 13x. And then this is when we did the, this is when we started the pool. Was up in here. This was the Winklevoss BS, and then all this other shit happened. This was like the second mark. But everyone in the Discord today has been eating pretty good. Haven't you, folks? You know, it's funny. There was like 110 people that did this. And, you know, they saw everything live. Like, most of the people that are in this saw everything live. The people that have been bitching about calling shit scams and everything are people who aren't even in it. So I'm looking at short. We shaved off some profits. And if the trend is your friend, oh, whoops, this even, oh shit, what the I have both the same accounts. Oh, I didn't, whoops. Alright, so that's it. I'll continue this stream. I'm going to continue the stream, but I'm going to end the video.